In December 2004, few tribes that live in a forest of unmanned Iceland notice the animal behaving in a different manner. They guessed some danger so that they move away to a safer part of the land. Soon after, the island were hit by a tsunami, but these people were saved. Anatomy of tsunami. Tsunami are giant waves caused by earthquake or volcanic eruption under the sea. Tsunami waves do not dramatically increase in height, but as the wave travel island, they build up higher and higher heights as the depth of the ocean decrease. The speed of tsunami wave depends on the ocean depth rather than the distance from the sources of the wave. Tsunami waves may travel as fast as jet plane over deep water. Only tsunami slowing down when reaching shallow water. Let's talk about human senses. A sense is a biological system used by an organism of sensation, the process of gathering information about the world and responding to stimuli. For example, in the human body, the brain receives signal from the senses which continuously receive information from the environment, interprets these signal and cause the body to respond either chemically or physically. Human senses were noun, taste, hear, see, touch and smelling. Did animal senses? Yes, they have common senses like human being, but it is believed that wild and domestic animal possess a sixth sense and know in advance when the earth is going to shake, has been around for centuries. While experts believe animal more acute hearing and other senses might enable them to hear or feel the earth is vibration, tipping them off a approaching disaster long before humans realize what is going on. Let's move ahead and talk about the tiger senses. A tiger can see 6 times better at night than most of us. A tiger's sense of hearing is so sharp that it can make out of the difference between the rustling of the leaves and sound of an animal moving on the grass. The ears of the tiger can move in different directions and this helps to catch the sound from all around. Tigers make different sounds for different purpose, like when it is angry or to call out of a digress. It can also roar or shrill. Its roar can be heard up to 3 km away. The tiger's whiskers are very sensitive and can sense the movement or vibration in the air. They help the tiger move in the dark and find its prey. Each tiger has its own area which may cover several kilometers. Tiger marks their own area with their urine. A tiger can at once come to know if there is another tiger in this area. By the smell of the urine, a tiger will avoid going into another tiger's area. Now let's talk about langur. Langur have excellent eyesight and sense of hearing which help them to avoid the predators. Langurs are active during the day. They spend the night hidden high in the tree tops along with other family of the member to avoid predators. Let's talk about bird senses. Sight and hearing are the most important senses for birds. This is at least they receive wisdom by studying birds' DNA. However, researchers have now provided genetic evidence that many bird species have a well-developed sense of smell. Lastly, let's talk about the fish and the dolphin senses. Like human, fishes have all 5 senses. The 5 senses includes sight, smell, taste, hearing and feeling. In fish, the hearing and feeling senses work together. Sight, the eyes of the fish are not much different than that of a human. Dolphins have their own particular signal and the language to converse with the family members and give the message to them. लाइक करें, जानकारी को साझा करें और सब्सक्राइब भी करें। धन्यवाद। बाय बाय।